Hello, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut. Today I'm showing you a brand new addition to our fleet, the 250 Outrage by Boston Whaler. As you'll see, it has the traditional red Boston Whaler logo and boot stripe to complement the white engines. Come aboard, let me show you a few really cool features about this boat. As you'll see here at the back of the boat, this boat is optioned with V6 225 horsepower Mercury outboard motors. These are the neat new motors where you can check the oil with a little hatch on the top. Moving down to the deck, we have a hidden telescoping ladder, a freshwater washdown, easy to access entry door. We have 3 flush mount rod holders here at the transom, but we have 12 rod holders total on this boat. Here in the aft cockpit, you'll see there's an ample seat across the transom that easily folds up out of the way. The coaming pad drops down, so you have a nice comfortable pad for leaning across when you're fishing. We have an enormous live well here right behind the helm seats. We have plenty of rod storage, boat hook storage, maybe a wash brush. And down on the deck, on both the port and starboard side, we have in-deck fish boxes. So here at the helm of this 250 Outrage, this 25-foot boat feels like you're sitting on a 33-foot boat or even larger by the size of this helm seat, the armrest, the visibility, the beautiful solid glass that goes all the way up, all around the console. Looking down at the dashboard, it's very well laid out, easy to read, gauges and switches everywhere. You have your Simrad Fish Finder GPS. You have a JL Audio Bluetooth stereo system. You have a Simrad VHF radio, and this is your Mercury vessel view. So all the gauges, the round analog gauges, are now found in this digital platform. Easy to touch switches for quick switches. You have a glove compartment with 2 charging ports inside there. Binnacle mount digital throttle and shift control, and your lighted trim tab gauge. Come check out the height in this head on this 25-foot boat. You have an electric vacuum flush toilet, storage for your bow table, easy access to your battery switches. You even have a shower and a window. Up here at the bow, there's plenty of seating for all your guests. There's a spot right here for a table that you saw stored down below in the head. You have a windlass automatic anchor, 2 speakers, 4 cup holders, additional storage here, and additional storage down in the deck. So for more information about this 2025 250 Outrage by Boston Whaler, it just arrived here at our store. Give me a call. My name's Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut. I look forward to getting you out on the water.